Hi everyone, I'm Jeff from Eng-Manfac, Engineering and Manufacturing, and welcome to part 7. This is where I'm going to take these stones and mount them on the fireplace wall. And right now I'm going to pressure wash them. I have a lot to do, a lot more to do over by the house. They're all on the ground there. And I'm going to try to pick the right shapes to fit and in the neat colors, which maybe you can see as I pressure wash them. There are some nice, like light blue and some ice looking, like frozen glacier water or something. It's really cool stone. Anyway, I'm going to get busy now. Look at some of these colors. Look at this blue. That comes through nice. It's just gorgeous blue. And this has got some light blue, like I was telling you about, along with some of the white in it. I still got mortar stuck to it. I've got to pull off from when it was on my sister and brother-in-law's fireplace. And this has got this ice looking stuff with the blue intertwined in it. It's really cool. I cut it in half because it was really heavy. All right, I'm gonna get busy, and later you can watch me stick them up to the walls. Thanks, bye-bye. Hello, it's been 2 days since the 2 lower stones on each side have been placed. They have fully hardened the mortar because I definitely did not want to bump them and have them fall off. Now what's above is not mortared in. I put a strap on it. You can kind of see the strap that runs in there. Let me get a light in there. Yeah, see the strap right there? And it's screwed in on each side to help hold it, just like what I got over here. So I don't want to keep adding the weight by stacking them and having them touch and hold themselves up. That makes a lot of weight down on the bottom. So if I could strap them all the way up, then they'll be individually held. All right, so anyway, that's what we're going to be doing next, is mortaring a few more stones on. So hello there. On this little section, I'm going to fill the gaps here with mortar all around the rocks. I'll start down low and work my way up. I'm not going to fill it clear out to finish area because I'm going to dye the mortar on the what you visually see, and I don't need to dye it way back into here and waste the dye. But I'm going to be coloring it this kind of a brown, light brown color, and because I don't think it looks good, this kind of very light gray here. So yeah, I'll be doing that, and to get into these things I'm going to use what's called a mortar gun, and it's like this. I've got it hooked to my cordless drill, and it turns a little auger inside of the hopper here, and it should squirt out the mortar right here, and I should be able to get right up inside here and put it all nicely inside. So I want it all thick with mortar in there to support everything. So that's what's going on now. Thanks. Thank you all for watching part 7. I'm going to be doing the rest of the stones off camera. You've seen how I put them up. It'll always all be the same, all the way up to the top. And maybe I'll bring you back next time when I actually am ready to load the pellet stove in. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. All right, bye-bye.